What's going on, guys? Chris,
Ryan,
SVT Garage. We're back at it. No Cobra stuff. We'll give you a little sneak peek on that. But it is Fox body stuff again. We're gonna dive into this, get right to work, show you guys where we're at, where we're picking up, and what we're gonna get into today. You ready?
good. Yeah.
So flip this around, give you guys an update. Check it out. Hold on, real quick. The Cobra's back apart again. Hood's coming off today. Bumper, front bumper, rear bumper, mirrors, all that's getting sent out. So
We're gonna make red fire great again.
we're gonna make red fire match again. All right, so where we left off here, we have the valve covers off painted. We're gonna put a fresh coat on that, right?
Yeah.
The upper intake painted. We're gonna come in here, do a little more cleaning, but what we decided to do was we were gonna do the inside of the engine bay black to clean it up. I know the factory color's that gray, but trying to match it and essentially just don't really want to put that type of time, effort, and money into it. We just want to make it clean and make it look nice. So what we're gonna do is come in here, paint all this black, get all that back there black, and start taking out this stuff to do the same for that. So set this tripod up and we're gonna get right to work today. All right, guys, we are a mess. This engine bay on this thing is disgusting. Be a good word, right? Yeah. So we're in here cleaning it up. We guys, let's flip this around, I'll show you what we got, and kind of walk you through what we're seeing, what we're doing here. So we just started pulling anything out of the way that we needed to get. The batteries out of there. We took off the rat's nest of everything over here. Ryan started kind of disassembling everything on this side, working on the firewall. It's dirty, it's a mess. So our idea is we're going to come up here just to make this look nice. Essentially take from this radiator support back and get that all done in black. Probably going to come up in here and do the same thing, just so it's all uniform all the way through. So we're gonna keep working on this. We're just taking a quick break, and we're gonna get right back into it. Good game plan or what?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything you want to add to this or?
No.
So.
Just yucky.
It is. It's just. It's gross. Like, let's see if we can. Yeah. Look at this.
Definitely not a Ryan or Chris car.
Yeah. This thing. The water's terrible. This car was a mess. So, beautiful car. We just want to make the rest of it look like the outside of it. We're gonna get back into it. All right, so we took off that, what do you call it, the wiper cowl there, right? Got the wiper arms off and kind of hitting that with some SCM to clean it up. They didn't look too terrible, but since we got it off, we threw a, just a coat on there to clean them up and kind of while you're in their moment and get this thing looking good again. I think it's nice too. These are known for breaking. This one here is actually in good shape. It's not broken at all, so we kind of hit the little jackpot on that one because they're not expensive, but it's the cost that we don't have right now. All right, man, what you got?
Here.
So we are, as you guys can see, we did a ton. I think we weren't gonna have that much cleaning going on in the engine bay again, but we did. So we're gonna get in there again. We want to paint it up. We don't want to half-ass it and essentially it come out looking like crap. So we're gonna go in there once, do it right, and take care of it. Wires were everywhere, dude, right? Yeah. We were finding wires on top of wires on top of wires.
So bad.
So essentially, that's going to be something we're going to keep addressing as we're going and just make it work. So we're going to keep chugging away on this. We probably got, what, another hour's worth of work?
Yeah.
Something like that. And we'll be calling it a night after that. So let's just get to work and keep this moving. So here is the after on the tail lights here. These came out really well. Actually really happy with how that looks. It looks way better than the blue. This one here is going to get a second coat, but this one's turning out just as nice. So what we're going to do is, that's 2 coats. We're leaving that one alone because it looks really nice. Cleaned up very well. This one here, again, you see it's a little shy up here with some paint, so we're just going to top that off and then get these back on the car. And I think that's it for today, guys, on the Fox body. I think we made some really good progress. The biggest thing was getting this ready for paint, and that's where we're at now. So we took all the wires, everything, pushed it forward. You guys saw we took everything on this side. It's gone. We got the back all, everything disconnected and unscrewed and unbolted from the firewall, all pushed forward, and then we're going to drape a moving blanket over this, tape some stuff off, use a bag, whatever we got to do. So then we're going to come in here and get this all painted. But that's our Fox body video for today. You thinking what, the weekend maybe?
Yeah.
So I think what we're going to do is hit this on Saturday. Today is what? What is today, Wednesday? Yeah. So Saturday we should be getting this all painted up, as long as the weather holds out. That shouldn't be an issue. So you got anything else to say before we call it?
Nope.
Second coat.
See you guys on the next one.
All right, guys. You know how we end the videos here. It's Chris, it's Ryan. Fox body. You guys have really been, it seems like you guys are really liking this series on this car, so we're glad to see that it's getting some attention. It's a beautiful car. We just want, again, we keep saying we want to make the rest of the car look how nice the outside is, because it looks fantastic right here on camera, the outside, and it is that nice in person. It is a really beautiful car. We just want to make the rest of it look like that. So we'll catch you on the next one. We did a quick video on the red fire, just an update. There's some cool fixes on that. We believe on that video we may have found a way to fix the wave on the rear bumper, so go check that out. Comment below, let us know what you guys think, and we'll see you guys on the next one.